Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll show you how to fix Fortnite game input, DLL error. Fortnite game input, DLL missing error. If you're getting the GameInput.dll error or missing error in Fortnite, don't worry, here's how to fix it. First, open Epic Games Launcher and verify Fortnite's game files to repair missing or corrupted files. Next, repair Windows system files by running sfc and dism commands as administrator. Also, repair or reinstall DirectX and Visual C++ redistributables and update your graphics drivers, as outdated components can cause errors. Temporarily disable overlays like Discord or Xbox, run Fortnite as administrator, and close unnecessary background programs for better performance. Make sure Windows is fully updated. If needed, temporarily disable antivirus, as it can block DLL files. If the issue persists, change launch options in Epic Games Launcher or reinstall Fortnite. Following these steps will fix the GameInput.dll error and let you play Fortnite smoothly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.